Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe this channel also and share it with your friends too. Yeah, and today we are going to make a watercolor painting of an human heart. Yeah, we're going to make a human heart, so stay tuned, in which you can learn how you can draw, how you can paint by freehand a human heart. Yeah, it is very easy. You will have step-by-step guide like we always do before starting any painting. First of all, prepare your color palette. Yeah, and as you know, we always pick our photos from Google stock images. You can choose any picture of a heart, so which you prefer to paint. And Google stock images will help you figure out the things much easier. So select any of those images. So let's start our painting.
Welcome to Manindra's studio. Today we are making watercolor painting of an human heart.
As we know, we always start from the outlines. So first of all, start making the outlines of the object. Observe the outlines, observe it properly, where all the lines and shape and the framework goes. Observe it properly by giving it at least 2 minutes and start making those lines on your sheet. Before you fill up your painting with the colors, make sure you have completed the outlines, complete process of the outlines first. So after completing the outlines, you can proceed to the filling from the inside of this object. If you are not studying your object properly, you can lose the grip anytime with your painting. You can have some errors if you are not giving it proper time. God has created the amazing thing by putting His divine energy into the human heart. It never gets old. It never gets older. It just keep beating all the time. Just keep beating, never ending beats. Yeah, you just keep pumping. It is very supernatural thing God ever created, which never stop beating, or nor ever it gets older. It always stay young. Our hearts always stay young. It is complete magic on its own. Heart is completely made of flute. mostly. It is consists of blood which keeps it running, the cell structure of the heart which keeps it running all the time. Yeah, it is made of fluid. It's a magic, complete a magic on its own. It is supernatural. Heart is the place where all kind of emotions it carries, like our pain, our suffering, our all emotions, our love, and it absorbs all the energies which are around us. It knows everything before our brain does get to know about the things. So heart observes the stuff before our mind does. As you can see the image of the heart, it's just not a piece of flesh only. It carries fluid like our blood, so it pumps all the blood to the body, to all the nerves. It keeps our body alive and warmer. So it's like a car engine for our body to keep it running all the time. So it is a engine. Yeah, heart is the engine. We just keep pumping the blood all the time. So while painting the heart, keep the process always slow. Don't be too fast or quick for painting. So if you want better details, more clarity, keep it slow. Paint it very slowly with a patience, and take a deep breath, drink some water, have some breaks while painting. So don't be so quick. As you can see, the small nerves which take so much time and the patience to paint, and be careful about the details with different colors. So you have to be careful on the small nerves for the specific details. So where nerves are being connecting, where they are being met. So be careful on those parts. So in heart there are two walls, a small wall and a large wall, and which opens up to the body for pumping and for circulating the blood process to whole body. It is main core of your body, heart. So if it's running, so you are warm, it just keeps you alive all the time. So today we are trying to describe the heart through our creative. So nobody improves at just one day in the painting. So we have to paint every day, we have to practice every day, we have to be consistent in the work to improve yourself in the painting. So don't worry if you make mistakes while painting, if you make too many mistakes or less mistakes. So mistakes are good. It is meant to improve your artwork. More you will commit mistakes, more you are going to improve in your painting, in the details. So more you're going to have much clarity about your paintings. So it's good to commit mistakes. So keep practicing, keep improving and keep learning. It takes patience and a lot of time to improve yourself, to improve your creative business. So you cannot hit anything at just one day. So keep doing the work, just keep doing, stay consistent. This is how you're gonna improve yourself. It is all about practicing with different objects, live painting, or you can have any reference image. So you can choose any place wherever you feel like to paint. You can paint in the nature if you like to paint landscape. You can also paint in your room where you feel comfortable. That's up to you. So best part is it's upon your mind what you are going to paint. No matter whatever your profession is, even you are an artist, even you are in any kind of field, different fields. So if you always think you are the perfect one and there is no one like you, then my friend, you are completely wrong. If you always think that you are perfect and you can never grow in that state, the condition, in that situation you can never grow if you always think you are perfect. So perfectionism is the myth just, and you always learn from everything around you. We just keep learning things all the time. So clear out that thought out of your mind that you have to be perfect. So Now we have completed our heart filled with the colors. So now is the point to focus on just details, to see where you need to fill up the colors, on what kind of details are left to make focus on. So the good thing about watercolor is it dries very quickly. So it dries immediately after you color your artwork. That's the best point of the watercolor painting. So I saw oil colors do not dry up so quickly. Oil colors take so much time, sometimes even a week or even more. So that's the best point about watercolor, it dries up immediately. You don't have to worry about its drying time. It's so quick, just like minutes it dries up. So it's all about patience while you paint. So more you have patience, more it will be the best output for your artwork.